Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on Twitter. So first of all, just open the Twitter application. After opening Twitter application, just tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner and then you will see these options. You have to tap on this settings and support and then go for this settings and privacy and now tap on your account, the first option, and then tap on this account information and now you have to enter your password here. And after entering the password, as you can see the first option, username, just have to tap on it. And now as you can see, you can easily change your username. You can erase it and then you can write a new name like this. After writing, you just have to tap on this save button and after that your display name will be changed. If you tap on your profile icon, as you can see, now my name has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.